Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the Rhinestone Worldcom. So in this video tutorial, we're going to walk you through in the Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software how to use one of our Rhinestone TrueType fonts. So as you know, we work with Corel Draw X5 and the TRW Stone Wizard Rhinestone program, but we're also going to show you how the TrueType fonts can work in the Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software in case you haven't upgraded to Corel Draw and the Wizard yet. So I'll show you real quick here how we can create the design in Corel Draw with the TRW Stone Wizard that makes it easy. So if we have a design here and we got baseball and we want the design right here, we're just going to go over to our fonts tab. Let's say we want to use the TRW stripe font and we're going to click here for no boxes. We can come over here to the wizard, go to our edit tab. We can tighten that up a little bit, hit two color magic text, and you're done and ready to cut. All you need to do is mirror it. So we try to make it as simple as possible in the TRW Stone Wizard and Corel Draw, but we're also going to show you, because we know a lot of you do have the Designer Edition software for the Silhouette Cameo, how you can create this design in the Cameo as well very easily. So we're in the Designer Edition software here. We're going to click on our text tool, and we're just going to type out baseball. Now this is using one of our other fonts, as you can see right here, one of our other Rhinestone TrueType fonts, the TRW 116. So I want to search the TRW. If you've purchased the TRW striped bold heat transfer vinyl TrueType font and installed it on your computer, then it'll be right in here in the Designer Edition software. So we're going to do the one with no boxes there, and we're going to shrink this down a little bit. Now I want to tighten up that spacing a little bit. So over here on the character spacing, you can just knock it down. And we went to 95 there. That's overlapping a little bit. Let's go to maybe a 97. And that looks pretty good right there. So now we are at 2.3 by 9.6. We can make it a little bit taller here. Now what I'm going to do is I need to get my second font, or the second color of this font here. So on the TRW stripe font, the uppercase and the lowercase, this is the lowercase that we typed out right there, and then the uppercase is your second color to make it real easy for you. So an easy way to do that is we're just going to go to our objects, and actually in our objects tab we can do our range and zoom in and everything, but the easiest way to do it is just to go ahead and duplicate it. So easy way to duplicate your design is just go to edit, and you can do Control D, which is duplicate, or just hit right here. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to hit Control D, and it duplicated that. Now I don't want to adjust any of the handles here because I want to make sure it lines up perfectly. So what I'm going to do is just double click, I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to do the uppercase version of it. So B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. Okay? And now I'm going to click on my arrow. Now I'm going to click on the bottom one, hold Shift, click on the top one. I'm going to go to my object and align, and then align center middle. Now when I zoom into this, you're going to see, I use my zoom tool here. It's still a little bit off, and that's just the way that it's set up. So what you're going to do is just click on here, and you can just align this so now you can see we have our slight little overlap, which is our trapping method. Now technically you don't have to do this because you're going to cut them as two separate cuts anyway. So as long as you don't adjust these handles at all, they're going to line up perfect. So these are done right here. So we could bring this baseball up right here, and we can go ahead and go to object, and we're going to transform it and flip horizontally. So now that is mirrored, and then same thing here. Object, transform, flip horizontally. That's mirrored. We're going to cut this one first with whatever color you want. Cut the baseball second with whatever color you want, and you have your two colors of your heat transfer vinyl, whether it's the glitter vinyl, the holographic vinyl, anything that we have available on the website at the rhinestoneworld.com. You can cut any of these. So very easy to do this striped chevron looking font, but I'll show you another one here real quick as far as how easy it is to switch it. Now say they wanted this baseball font and they want it in a different style font. Very, very easy to do. If I typed in TRWPOK, I have my polka dot font. So I can click on my polka dot font there. It changes that one. And I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Again, you see that I'm not changing the layout of any of them, or I'm not adjusting the handles on any of them. So when I go ahead and align this up here, you're going to see, I'm going to zoom in here, and let me get a good zoom on this B here. See how it's still going to have that nice trapping method, and it's going to, that way, when you cut this design, it's going to have that trapping method to be able to line it up perfectly. So again, you can do this a line like this right there, just in case you want to create some type of mock-up or something for your customer. But again, as long as you didn't adjust any of these handles to make this part bigger than this part or adjust that at all, these are duplicated the exact same, just the uppercase here and the lowercase here, then it's going to align perfectly when you cut it out to go ahead and press it onto your finished garment, bag, tote bag, drawstring bag, anything you have. So very easy to work with our HTV TrueType fonts as well as our Rhinestone TrueType fonts in the Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software. So we try to make it as easy as possible no matter what program you have. Of course, we love the TRW Stone Wizard. Everybody that has the TRW Stone Wizard loves it as well. It is going to make things easier for you, but we know that everybody's on a budget as well. So we want you to have what's best for your business and it's going to help your business grow. That's why even though we have our TRW Stone Wizard software, we have no problem creating videos for the Designer Edition software and the other ones that it's going to help you and your business grow, and then eventually, hopefully, it gets to the point where you can get the TRW Stone Wizard. It's going to speed up your process even more and help your business grow even more in the future. So, hope this video helped you out on the Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software and using one of our TRW TrueType fonts. Again, you can find any one of these fonts on the website at therinestoneworld.com. I'll pull this over here for you real quick. If you're on our website, therinestoneworld.com, just go to Shop TRW Products, and then you're going to go to the TrueType fonts. So on the TrueType fonts, I'll give you an example of the two fonts that we used in this video. We have the Polka Dot Bold HTV font right here. It's an instant download TTF file. And then we also have the TRW Striped Bold HTV. So those are our heat transfer vinyls. And of course, you can see a couple other different ones. The TRW Zebra Bold is a real popular one as well with the alphabet and then also with the numbers. And then you'll see when you go back here, we also have our Rhinestone TrueType fonts. So with our Rhinestone TrueType fonts, we have probably 30 to 40 different Rhinestone TrueType fonts that you can scroll through that, again, are instant download files. They're all TTF files that you just install into your font library on your computer, and then you can use them in any software that you use. So hope this video helped you out with the TRW Stone Wizard, Corel Draw, the Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software to make your life easier in creating design. So again, very easy to do. If you wanted this to say Mustangs, you can make it say Mustangs. Even if you wanted to change it right here, again, as long as you don't change those handles, I can go MUSTANGS, and I can come down to this one and caps lock MUSTANGS, Mustangs, and those are going to align perfectly once I cut them out. You got a custom name on a shirt, whether it's a mascot name, team name, name on the back of a shirt for a custom last name, anything like that, where you can create it in a matter of seconds, get that cut out, and make an awesome looking shirt for your customers. So hope this video helped you out. Hope you you guys enjoy all the videos that we do create. If this video did help you out, make sure to comment below. Make sure to like it right here on the YouTube channel. We also have a link to both of the fonts that we used in this video right below the video here. You can just click on that link. It'll bring you right to the TrueType fonts that we used in the video on the website, so you can find those easy. But again, if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Make sure to visit the website, www.therinestoneworld.com. Give us a call at 941-755-1696. Again, this is Matt with therinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a wonderful day.